Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python data types. So let's see what is it, Python's data types. So in programming, data types is an important concept. It will help you to assign what kind of text types that are available. So variables can store data of different type and different type can do different things. So there are many patterns that are available in um, Python. So like if you're going to write any number, so it is not in the form of string. It is in the form of like int, float, complex or anything. But if you're going to write anything like the text type, like any alphabetic form or something, so that is in the form of what? String. So right now on screen you can see I have provided so many categories over here. So text will be written in string, numeric numbers will be written in the int, float, complex, sequence type will be written in a list, tuple, range. So these are the different kind of forms. Mapping type will be written in dict, that is dictionary, what direction. Yeah, set type is written in frozen set or like another form, and boolean types is boolean, so BOOL, bool. So these are the different kind of patterns I have written here. So you can also write it in your form by seeing from this video. So getting the data type, how can you get the data type? So there is a format, how can you get the data type? So let me write one format, then you will be able to understand. So I will write print type of z. Okay. So it is in the form of class int. Okay. So that's how you can write, because it is a variable, that is variable value is 10. So it is in the form of number. So it variable type is what? Int. So these are the form you can write. Examples of the data type is available. What if you write the hello world, you will get the string. Okay, if you're writing hello world, why you getting string? Because it is in the alphabetic form, it is a string form. That is why you are writing string. If you're going to write 20, then you will get the int because it is a number. If it is in the point form, then it is float. And it is like imaginary form, then it is a complex number. So it will provide you complex. Okay. So that's how you can write it, different things. So you can also will get the list because it is in the form of list. Because in case of the square bracket, we write list, and in case of the normal brackets, we are having tuple. So range will get in the range form, and curly braces will get in the direction form. And these are the kind of sets that are available, and these are the different kind of variable I have used. You can see on screen. So this is very easy way how can you provide any number, and you will be able to see what kind of data types of the particular variable. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.